Hey guys, today is a really short video. It's showing you how to make a superhero cake. Quick, easy. Now don't make fun of my cake. It is a pie plate that I turned upside down and put frosting on because I didn't have a cake to display it. But anyway, here we go. Okay, I have my little guy out of his package. Okay, we're going to take off his arms. Pop off his head, take off his legs, take his body. I'm using I don't have a hacksaw, I'm using this saw. We're gonna cut off his body. Now remember, it doesn't have to be a superhero. You can use whatever toy matches your party theme. Look, put your chopped off arms on. Put your top part of your superhero on. Slide your legs in. However far you want to slide them. You could cut them off more if you want them to, if you don't want to slide it so far into your cake. Then write a name on it. I just used a frosting pen. Okay, not the best writing, but trying to make it a quick video. And we'll put some sprinkles on. There you have it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.